Let us discuss about cofactors and prosthetic group. Cofactors and prosthetic group. These are present in enzymes. Remember that prosthetic group and cofactor, they are present in enzymes. Usually all enzymes, or most of the enzymes, they are proteins. Most of the enzymes are proteins. Enzymes, apart from containing uh, protein component, they also contains non-protein component. They also contain non-protein portion. So we can say enzymes contain protein component or protein portion. This protein component is called apoenzyme. And also they also contain non-protein part. This non-protein part can be either cofactor or prosthetic group. Okay, this non-protein part can be prosthetic group. We'll see what is prosthetic group or cofactor and cofactor. Okay, so the non-protein part can be either prosthetic group or cofactor. We'll see what is cofactor and what is prosthetic group. These two, apoenzyme and non-protein part, together called holoenzyme. So what we discussed here is enzyme contains protein part as well as non-protein part. Protein part is called apoenzyme, whereas non-protein part, it is called it can be either non-protein component can be either prosthetic group or cofactor. These two components, apoenzyme and prosthetic or cofactor component, these two is commonly called holoenzyme. Okay, so now we will see non-protein part. Non-protein part non-protein part or non-protein portion. When this non-protein portion is separable from holoenzyme, if this non-protein part is separable from the enzyme, then it is called cofactor. That means we are able to separate it from holoenzyme. If it is separable, then it is cofactor. This cofactor can be organic or inorganic. Can be organic or inorganic. So in inorganic we mainly have metals. In inorganic we will have metals. Let's see one more component. If the non-protein part is non-separable, that means we cannot separate the non-protein part from the holoenzyme, then it is prosthetic group. So here the non-protein part is not separable, then it is prosthetic group. Prosthetic group. Prosthetic groups are inorganic metals. They are inorganic metals. When the prosthetic group is metal, then the enzymes are called metalloproteins. When the cofactor is metal, then that enzyme is said to be metal activated enzyme.